Alright guys, so a lot of people have seen this picture on the internet recently. Can you see the cat? And today I'm just gonna show you guys where exactly is the cat. Now this is an optical illusion. As you guys know, over the years we have a lot of optical illusion, whether it be that dress where people are like saying, is this a blue dress, or is this a white dress, or is this a black dress? Do you guys remember seeing that optical illusion? And another illusion was like hearing, I think it was Laurel or Laura, yeah, I think it was something like that. I remember that one was like 2 years ago or 3 years ago, I'm not sure. But today I'm gonna break it down for you guys to show you exactly where is the cat in the image. I know you guys might be sitting there for like maybe 1 hour looking through the comment section, trying to find where's the cat, and even though people tell you where the cat is, you still can't see it for some reason. So today I'm just gonna draw it out for you guys to see exactly where the cat is. So let's get right into the video, guys. So another tip is that if you turn your phone like sideways, you guys should be able to kind of see this cat more outlined. So I'm gonna turn my phone sideways right now. So there it is. So the cat is right there on the top of the shoulder. I'm gonna draw it out for you guys more clearer on my computer, so let's get right into it, guys. Alright guys, so here I have a snip of it on my computer. Basically the cat is on her shoulder, as I said in my previous earlier on in the video. So I'm just gonna outline it for you guys. So here it is. So hope you guys can see my red marker clearly. I'm trying to do my best to outline it for you guys. So yeah, that's basically the cat right there, guys. So I'm guessing here is like the cat ears. This is his tail. His feet are like down here. His hair is like here. I guess his eyes would be here. His mouth would be somewhere here. I'm not a good artist, guys, but you guys get the picture. And I think cats have some like hairs like here or something like that. As I said, I'm not a good drawer. And then his fur would be there, his other feet would be here, his tail would be here, this would be his fur right here, and you guys kind of get the picture. But yeah guys, that's basically where the cat is. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if this was hard for you guys to see, or did you guys see it in a quick second. Was it easy for you guys, or was it hard? Let me know in the comment section. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.